For my 2000 Toyota. Let me see struck by AC Delco, Monroe, and any under $50.
We might be able to get some struts from the warehouse.
Why watch the counterman tap on his computer and hope he chooses the right part? Go to rockauto.com. Auto and body parts from hundreds of manufacturers.
When were you talking to the boy?
Yesterday. Ouch.
Oh.
I'm videotaping, dear.
You just said no potty mouth. I'm not potty mouthing. Oh yeah, I said potty, so I guess I am potty mouthing.
Look at little Joey's going potty. She's pottying.
Boy.
Ouch! Shark bite. Orleans! Those are my toes. Stop. Ow, you guys!
Mike and Molly's coming to FX.
A network filled with bikers, spies, gunslingers, and home.
Mike and Molly coming this fall on FX.
Ow!
Stay, good dog.
Mr. T. Ow! No.
You're talking to the boy. Keep your head down. Follow through.
Why are my feet so fascinating? You guys stop.
Move your head and don't follow through.
Ow! No! Ow! Having some dinner.
Baseball player. What a violin to the guy, the violin guy.
And then a scratch.
What?
Come on, give her a name.
Mr. Puck.
You want to talk about your stuff? Come on, give it a girl's name.
Mom.
Your punter's name is Charlene.
Why?
It just is, that's why. Now this is a picture of your enemy.
Hi, Orleans.
Every day,
Orleans.
I want you to spend 15
Hi,
minutes
sweetie.
staring at it and concentrating on how much you hate him.
Hi,
and how
Orleans.
glorious it will
Up
be
here.
when you and Charlene annihilate.
Charlene.
I'll show you who Charlene is. Now start hating.
Hi, Bart.
What's it doing, Scratch? Scratch? Scratch?
I couldn't help overhear you war Bart's mind.
And?
Well, I'm worried that you're making too big a deal of this silly little kitty golf tournament.
But Marge, this is our big chance to show off the Flanderises.
I'm sure it is, but why would you want to do that?
Because sometimes the only way you can feel good about yourself is by making someone else look bad. And I'm tired of making other people feel good about themselves.
Phoebe. 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 Phoebe.
Hi, Bart.
Phoebe.
What are you doing? You least think all those guys in chess that don't matter. Well,
Hi,
a
Phoebe.
is of little value, but I think you're referring to a
She
pawn.
scratches Phoebe.
Right. I am a pawn.
Here goes
Like
Joey.
this, that I'm thankful Dad has little to no interest in almost everything I do.
You little one.
Here's the library.
Gotta go in the potty.
Hi, Lisa.
Hey, Ralph.
Hi, Lisa.
Hey, gang. Okay, Bart. This is the card catalog. Let's see. Golf. Anecdotes. Eisenhower and fashion, humor, Japanese obsession with. Ah, here it is. Putty.
Good girl.
And Spike-
Good girl, Orleans.
The Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu. Lisa, we can afford all these books. Bart, we're just gonna borrow them. Oh, gotcha. I want you to shut off the logical part of your
Going
mind.
in the potty.
Okay. Embrace nothingness. You got it. Become like an uncarved stone.
Good girl. That's a good girl.
All that.
That's a good girl, Orleans. Come here.
What's the sound of one hand
Good girl.
Okay.
Good girl.
It's a 3,000-year-old riddle with no answer. It's supposed to clear your mind of conscious thought. No answer. Lisa, listen up.
Come on, you guys. Potty's not the place to play. Come out. Come out. Ouch. Mr. T.
No one's around. Does it make a sound?
Monster.
But Bart, how can sound
Hi, Lizzie.
exist if there's no one there to hear it? Ooh, it's time. The basis of this game seems to be simple geometry. All you have to do is hit the ball here.
Ow. Mr. T. Ow. Go away.
You've actually found a practical use for geometry.
Quit. You give kisses. It hurts. What you doing, Scratch?
Bart, what are you doing? Get down from there before the neighbors see.
Hey, Simpson!
Leonard, I don't care what this looks like. Bart's gonna mop the floor with your son's ugly butt.
And you're Scratch and Phoebe.
Now may the best man win. The mating call of the
Very good chance.
Oh, yeah, well, that's...
Joey. And Lizzie. There's Mr. T. Oops, nope. Zoe.
Your wife's delicious blueberry muffins against
And Orleans. And Mr. T.
What, are you afraid to make a radio bet?
No. You're starting to annoy me.
Oh, about this, Henny Penny. If Bart wins tomorrow, you have to mow my lawn.
All right. And if I win,
Really? Really, Phoebe? There's Mr. T back down here on my foot again. You're a shark. Okay.